Welcome to Mississippi's fake beach. This beach that I'm standing on right now is actually the biggest man-made beach in the world. It stretches on for 26 miles. In the 1950s, they dumped all this sand in here. I believe they took it from Florida. So today we're going to do a little bit of exploring along the Mississippi Gulf Coast, check in with some old friends and see if we can make some new ones. Let's check it out. I think we might be lost in the middle of Mississippi. I have no idea where we're going. We're trying to find downtown. We're actually going over to see our friends at Pav & Broom. Very nice jewelry store. We know the people over there. It's a very interesting mixture down here in Gulfport of some businesses that look pretty new and good condition. Seems like money's coming in. And some other places not so much, pretty dilapidated. Do a little exploring down this way and then we'll come see them on the way back. It's just rubble where this building used to be. Yeah, this is just about a block away from the nicest jewelry store in Mississippi, the nicest one I know of. So this is Gulfport. Holy shit. These roads are a death trap on the one wheel, man. What the hell? Oh shit. Oh man, these sidewalks are brutal. What is this? This is the deadliest road in Mississippi.
Hi. How's it going? Can I do 2 boxes then?
Sure.
Okay. Can you just mix whatever?
So you want 2 weeks then?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You can go.
I like the frosting machine. Nice.
Have a good one.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next stop, Pav & Broom.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
How are we doing?
We are doing well, and we are doing even better.
Going up delivery.
Are those for us?
Those are for you.
Oh
Well, you know
my
I didn't bring them
gosh.
all for me.
You're amazing. Thank you.
No, thank you.
Well, I think y'all have made his day. He's pretty excited.
Is he cool? I'm excited. Oh, he's got the doctor's coat on and everything, man. How are you?
How you doing?
Cool.
Good to see
How's it
you.
going? Good to see you.
So this is Braden, of
Yes.
Pav & Broom. Braden, my personal jeweler.
Thank you. So, are we putting on bracelets today?
Yeah.
All right.
So I guess you're going to need me to take it off my
Well,
wrist. How
we'll
painful.
give you a little sneak peek.
Cool.
I never take it off.
That's not a bad thing.
Yeah. How we doing?
There you go.
All right. The inner sanctum. Good to see you. Well, this is cool. I feel privileged.
All right, who wants to go first?
I guess I'll go first. Well, you can tell me how I've been treating it for the past year.
Yeah, I'll point out any little scratches just to make you feel good about yourself.
Yeah, I know I've dinged it on a couple of things.
Oh, everyone does. Otherwise, you're not wearing it.
Exactly.
I remember right after I got my Pelagos, smacked it on some scaffolding, and I was like, and then it was okay.
And you just don't even want to look, right?
Yeah, no, I was right on the clasp. I was really upset with myself. All right. Ready for the second one? We're clean both at the same
There you
time.
go. Sure. He takes his off every night.
You sleep with yours on?
I do.
Shower?
Shower, everything.
Okay.
Yeah, shower's I wash it every day, so
Yeah, it's not bad.
it should be maybe a little better than some, but maybe not as good as others. I don't know.
Ooh, we missed a sticker when we originally.
Oh, you got a sticker on yours.
Really?
Yeah, you got a
Yeah.
sticker.
Yeah.
You mind if I take it?
Sure.
Thank you. Can't believe we missed one.
Oh man, you ought to keep that sticker.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that. You've been walking around with a sticker on your watch for a year.
Well, that's going to be unscratchable. Well, it was unscratchable.
Yeah, that'll be the cleanest spot.
Yeah. One spot with no scratches.
A little bit. There you go.
Wow, that was a lot of
Wow.
sticker.
Look at that. Just expose that mess real quick.
Well, Rolex is waiting for that sticker to come back.
Oh, I know. If we miss them, that's one thing, but we try not to, you know.
Gotcha.
Alright, follow me. This is going to be our polishing room and our cleaning room. It's not the cleanest, but the door done here isn't the cleanest.
Oh.
Feel free to step in.
I'm probably like right in the way, right?
Nah, you're good. We'll figure it out. So what I like to do is light paper towel on the bottom of this. It's not normally scratching bracelets on the bottom side, but every now and then, whenever you do have the ultrasonic doing it, it can. So I like to make sure it stays protected. This is something I learned when I was in watchmaking school. So we end up, I'm just adding water because it kind of evaporated, but we use deionized water in all of our ultrasonics. I feel like deionized water will help things better because it attracts minerals and tries to stabilize the deionized.
Gotcha. You clean gold in that same.
All the
So
same.
that you probably have to be more worried about getting
Yeah,
scratched.
scratching definitely happens on gold more than steel. Like I said, it's normally not an issue, but it's one of those extra precautions that it takes 2 seconds to do, so why not do it?
Right. Well, people are probably scared to really get into cleaning it.
Yeah,
They
I'm
probably just
sure.
wipe it off with a microcloth and that's.
Call it good,
That's
but
enough,
then,
yeah.
look underneath the clasp one good time and you're like, oh, yeah. So it definitely happens. That's why I say the toothbrush, just to kind of get some bristles in there.
Right.
And,
Enough meat for a sandwich under there, right?
yeah, oh yeah. A couple DNA slices, you know?
Yeah. And Braden explained to me last time we were here that if you don't keep it clean, dirt gets in between the
Yes,
links and everything. It can
yes.
make your.
That's one of the biggest things about us offering it's not just us, I think it's any authorized Rolex service center that you can go get your bracelet cleaned, so please, if you have one, go get it cleaned. But, and I think most places do it pretty straightforward. But, so dirt gets in between the links, and it's almost like a bearing having dirt in it. It just starts to sand down on
Starts to wear away.
Yeah, and it prematurely kills your watch's
Wind up with a loose bracelet. Yeah.
Once they come out of the ultrasonic, we'll take them over to the steamer.
Oh, right there. Cool.
Yep. And we'll just steam her off. Make sure we get all that in there. That's just the tops. Burn my fingertips.
I was going to say, make sure you don't burn your fingers. Right?
It happens. You get used to it.
Little interesting bit of trivia here too. Tidbit of information. Braden's actually one of the owner's sons here, so
I am.
Braden is one of the owners.
No.
Yes. Yeah.
Not yet. I
Not
gotta earn
yet,
that
but,
stripe. I
it's
gotta
in-
earn
it's in-
that stripe.
It's in the making. Yeah, he's got to earn his stripes.
We're working on it. So
Doing a good job here today.
put that right there. But so y'all's, like I said, y'all's is not bad. But you see how there's all those little notches and everything for the adjustability on
Yep.
the bracelet? That's where dirt can really easily build up.
Okay.
So what I like to do is make sure I extend the bracelets all the way, so you will have to refit them. Sorry.
Sure. Yeah.
But and then once they're extended all the way, go through and steam again. It's important to make sure it comes out as clean as you can get it. And the true test, and like I said, y'all's is not bad, but get the air gun to dry it off and.
See what's left on the towel.
Yeah, basically. So, like I said, y'all's isn't bad, but like you can see some right here where other bracelets have gone through and gotten aired out. And you'll see some, you can see like an outline of the bracelet. And it's like, okay, well, they finally brought it in for cleaning. That's all that matters.
Yeah,
right?
right.
But
See,
it definitely gets up there. But yeah, y'all's are really clean. So that's always good to see. This one's going to be bins. See if it gets any worse. No, pretty much good. That's part real good where I missed the sticker.
This watch has made me realize how much your wrist actually
Swells
changes
it, yeah.
in diameter
Yeah, yeah.
throughout the day.
That's why almost every Rolex has that easy link, even if it's not like a sub bracelet where you can pop it out just a few millimeters.
Right.
I think.
Yeah,
Other
that's
than
that's
that,
very important for my lifestyle that it fits around my
you gotta
wetsuit
make
when I
sure
go
you're
deep sea diving.
Yeah, exactly. And then of course you have to eventually get the sea dweller, so you have the helium escape valve for whenever you're, deep pressure diving.
Sure.
It has to slowly release all the helium that builds up.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I definitely need that.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is gonna be our polisher.
Oh,
we
this
have
thing, okay.
a whole bunch of polishing wheels, other types of wheels.
And you polish
Chucks,
Rolexes and
Rolexes, anything we offer for sale, we will work on here.
Gotcha.
Aside from a few select models.
And when you send it in to when a watch gets sent back to Rolex, does it go to Switzerland?
Not always. Rolex has a few service centers. They have one in New York. I think that's mainly special cases. You have one in Pennsylvania, which is the same building that I went to school in.
Okay.
It's kind of separate, and that's actually changing right now too. But there's a service center in Lidditz, Pennsylvania. Great place. Love living there. And then there's one in Dallas. And there is technically one in Beverly Hills, but it's, if you were in the know, it's kind of like...
I was going to say nobody's supposed to know
nobody,
about that one.
no, it's not that nobody's supposed to know about it, it's just like it hardly exists. Like, from what I last understood, there's like barely anyone working there. It's just kind of like a...
You have to have an American
thing.
Express black card to get your watch there.
I don't fully understand what goes on there, so I don't like to speak on it too much, because
Gotcha.
I don't know. Steam off the spring bar is real good. Alright, so we got them cleaned. Like I said, they weren't that bad. Normally we leave them for at least, we request a day just to make sure we can get them thoroughly clean, but y'all's are very clean. So
Very cool. How you doing?
all good.
Very cool.
And I just remember by the scratches from bracelet shoes. Normally
Who has more scratches?
Ben's does.
Ben's does. Oh, there you go.
At least on the bracelet. I didn't pay attention too close to the cases yet. But
Hey, scratches are all a part of life, right? Nothing wrong with that.
oh, that's exactly.
When you wear it every day, it's going to get scratched no matter what you do.
Better. Otherwise, are you really living?
Yeah, right.
One side in.
He's got 2 cameras on him doing it. I got to check off. Works well under pressure.
It's been a minute, so I actually do feel a little pressure, which is kind of funny.
Oh, well.
But
Just look how cute and tiny these cameras are. Nothing scary going on here.
No. Found one more sticker. I'm just missing.
On his, too?
Yeah. That's
Wow, yours was all stickered up, man. Wow, good for you.
You had a gem. Then you let me see it, and now I gotta fix my wrongs. Let's see if I missed any more.
You took those stickers off. You just dropped about $1,000 in value.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Of course.
Awesome.
Whenever it is time for service, because... Oh, wait. Thank you for reminding me. So, whenever we clean sub-mirror bracelets...
Hey, is this one mine or yours?
Oh, this is definitely my bracelet.
Is it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. Just testing.
One second. I forgot one thing. So, whenever we clean sub-mirror bracelets on the glide lock class, that's what it's called, I couldn't remember earlier. That has those 2 channels. Put a little bit of Foblin, which is a grease we use, in those channels, and run it through, and it keeps it from binding up. It doesn't take a lot, just like any grease, just a little.
Nice.
Keeps it nice and mobile.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Like I said, normally we take a little bit longer. Y'all's are especially clean, but
And that's a service they provide at no charge for people.
it should be no charge, as far as I understand.
Cool.
We do it no charge. I'm pretty sure the standard is no charge.
Beverly Hills, we don't know.
Well, Beverly Hills service. It's,
Well, right on, man.
yeah, of course.
It's always a pleasure. I really appreciate you going through the effort.
Of
and
course.
letting us
Appreciate it.
film the whole thing.
Yeah, of
walking
course.
us through
It's
it.
always fun.
Very educational, very interesting.
I try my best.
Yeah, no, I appreciate you. Thank you.
But yeah, if you want to see the deep sea, just to kind of compare the bracelet differences. So yeah, the deep sea uses a little bit of a different style. What do they call the deep sea's glide lock?
I thought it was a glide lock.
It might be.
Is that the one you have to lift up on the inside of the
So y'all's, you pull down right here.
Right.
This one,
Oh, wow.
yeah, and then it goes in and out.
Wow. Okay.
I don't
That's
fully
interesting.
understand why they went with that design difference, but that is how they do it on the deep seas. Awesome.
I thank you again.
Of course.
Always
Thank
a
y'all for
pleasure.
coming by.
Right on.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank y'all for the donuts.
Oh, yeah.
The
No,
I'm
my
gonna go
pleasure.
snack one.
My
I
pleasure.
didn't eat breakfast this morning, so
Right
that's mine.
There you go. Awesome. Awesome.
And I'll make sure you keep watching.
All right, cool.
Have a good one.
Thanks, brother. Good seeing you as usual.
You too. You too. Good
Great to see
seeing
you.
you. I just saw some baby pictures of you. Oh my god. It's so good to see you. Y'all
Let's just say goodbye.
come
Mr. Pav?
Yeah, man.
We'll see you next year.
Good to see you.
We appreciate all the
Good seeing you.
hospitality
Yeah.
and welcome. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All righty.
Y'all be careful.
Thank you.
Always. Thanks for the donuts. Already had one actually.
Right on. Enjoy your day.
Have a great day. Great visit here at Pav and Broom. And just for anybody wondering, we're not sponsored or anything. We're just friends with the people over at Pav and Broom. Actually met them filming a video one time. On to the next stop. All right, so we're here at our next stop, the Gulfport Post Office. And got to take care of some business here.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So just out of curiosity, are those cameras or infrared thermometers?
Sorry?
Those cameras are thermometers.
Thermometers.
Alright. Appreciate it.
At least you even got the joke. Yeah, exactly. Oh, yep. 98.6.
Temperature check.
How are you, Kathy?
Hi.
So I need 3 money orders,
Okay.
and they're all going to be for the same amount, $239.53.
239.53.
Yes, ma'am.
3 times.
Yep.
My husband was one of those things.
Same camera?
Huh?
Same one?
I thought it was a temperature. No?
Oh, no, it's a camera. I was just kidding with that guy. He said he's a thermometer
One
or a
of those
camera.
guns that shoot the temperature.
Yeah.
Oh, I have one of those. Yeah, it's a FLIR probably. It's yellow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I heard it's been a little cooler here than usual.
Yeah.
Today's
We had to
nice.
pull out our big coats.
Yeah. Dust them off, right?
Yeah, there you go.
Well, I thank you, Kathy.
Have a
Have a
Thank
wonderful
you,
day.
Kathy.
You too.
All right, guys, we got those money orders. And now it's time to go on to the next spot and spend them. All right, so we're at the Harrison County Courthouse here in Biloxi, and we're going to go apply for our passports. Let's check it out.
Good, how you doing?
Thank you.
Yes, sir. How are we doing, sir? How you doing today?
Doing well.
All right.
All right, one at a time.
Ready?
Okay.
A lot of folks come in unprepared.
Yes. Let me just leave it at that. All of the above. All right, let's see what we've got here. All right. And any other type of supplemental identification, social security card, insurance card, voter registration card, any of that type of
Do you have any?
documentation?
No, we didn't do
All right, let's see what else.
I got credit cards. I don't know.
I'm not going shopping, I promise.
Thank you.
Well, if you do, get me something nice.
Right?
We travel full time in an RV.
Okay. Documenting it all.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fun.
All right, so same for you. We're going to come over. You swear the information on the application is true and correct to the best of your knowledge,
Yes.
and that the photo is a true likeness of you.
Yes.
All right, you're signing there on that top line.
It's
All
a
right.
fancy signature you got.
Horrible.
All right, so the only other thing that we have to do is take care of those $35 processing fees.
Yeah, and I can put that on a credit card, right?
You can.
Okay. Well, I want to thank you for the wonderful courteous service, before I forget to say that.
Not a problem.
Service with a smile.
Well, when everything's together and organized, it makes it so much smoother.
Yeah.
Very smooth transaction. All right, so we're gonna get
A lot of people didn't get that memo.
All right.
Bridget, thank you very much again for
Thank
the
you.
help. We appreciate you.
Not a problem.
Have a
Enjoy
wonderful
y'all's
day.
time
Have a great
down
day.
here.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, we took care of all the stuff we needed to do this morning. We're headed back to the RV park, gonna pack up and go to the next spot. We'll see you there.